age of quiet EVs, Dodge decided silence wasn't enough. They built something louder, bolder, a machine born to carry the spirit of muscle into the electric era. This is the Dodge Charger Daytona SRT Banshee. At its core, the Banshee runs on an 800-volt architecture engineered for speed, efficiency, and raw power. Dodge hasn't revealed exact numbers yet, but insiders suggest performance that could rival, even surpass, the legendary Hellcat. But what makes this car special isn't just the power, it's the experience. Unlike most EVs, the Banshee doesn't slip into silence. Instead, it roars with a Fratzonic Chambered Exhaust, a purpose-built system blasting up to 126 decibels. It's electric energy translated into muscle car thunder. Pair that with Dodge's Erupt multi-speed transmission and every shift feels alive. Every launch feels violent. This isn't just driving an EV, it's wrestling a storm. The Charger Daytona SRT Banshee doesn't look like every other futuristic EV. It looks like a Dodge. Its sculpted body pulls inspiration from the past, echoing classic Charger DNA, while reinventing it for tomorrow. The R-wing front end isn't just striking. It channels air with precision, giving the Banshee balance between brute force and sleek aerodynamics. Inside, it's a driver's cockpit. A massive curved display dominates the dash. Performance-oriented controls fall naturally into your hands, and the atmosphere mixes luxury with a menace. You don't just sit in the Banshee, you command it. Every detail whispers heritage, every glow screams innovation. The Dodge Banshee isn't just an electric car, it's a statement, a refusal to let muscle die in the silence of the EV revolution. It's proof that passion, sound, and power can evolve without compromise. This is Dodge showing the world that the future of performance isn't quiet. It's loud, it's electrifying, it's unapologetic. The Charger Daytona SRT Banshee isn't just the future of Dodge. It's the rebirth of muscle,